Big up to Nikisha, because Nikisha defended things straight with no itch. What I'm talking about is, me don't know if you see it yet, right?
Me I got tear me Marina. Me feel like tear me Marina. Pull up. You know, hear me say about tear me Marina. I feel like turn this in a world star blood clot morning. I wanna run joke. I Canada with you now. Hold on, my brother, wait there. You can't say a bad man thing, my friend. Hold on, my brother. No, man, not a bad man thing, a unity. Hold on, my G, I go gate, man, but you not forget, man, I come and say a bad man thing. Alright, since a bad man thing, do your thing.
Yeah, run it thing, because you say clean and fresh, and me a big up the thing, and you move like a beat. When you see man forward, you don't have to give man the thing. Because you say clean and fresh, and me a make them know what go on, you see me? Because me a dancing king, you see me?
We don't want a blood clot gun. A foreign with it, what we need a foreign?
Fresh cash.
Blood clot, see them, I tell you, it's not a bad man thing, a fresh cash thing.
Marvin the Beast, big up yourself. I don't know if I know him, if I'm pasta before I come a foreign. One big like how you go on, I don't know anything, but it's a general, I'm a real general. And Toronto people are really youth. I don't want to go on a bomb clot. All I will live at Toronto, the Beast in the town, give me rate the same way, but you may have said no. You don't know anything going on. Big up the whole of Southwest. See it. Big up the whole of my entourage. Hear that?
Yo, hey Beast, we are bad man. We not deal with fish. We are fish Beast. I want to tell you, Spanish town me come from. Me a bad man. You see me? Marvin a batty boy. Marvin a batty boy. That me a telling you, me a bad man, Marvin. What you can't tell, man?
Brother, all of we bad, my friend. Just relax now. Take you relax. You all of we bad, but we don't use mouth bad.
Want all money, I mean no job.
Yo, talk that. Yo, a bad man attack. My father a bad man and me a bad man. De La Vega City, Spanish. Yo, hold on, man. Yes,
no boy can't diss my nephew.
On the block.
But some people have it up already as Marvin being attacked by bad man. Marvin the Beast got rushed in Canada by thugs and almost got beat up. I don't know, I guess that headline will bring a lot of views, but me never see where the brother almost got beat up. Big up to Marvin and big up to Nikisha. Watch me. When you out there and you take on the road, right? Enough things go on. People see the traveling and them thing there and the glitzy picture them on Instagram because the shoes match the shirt and Ray. And them feel like, say, everything is all peaches and cream and everything. And these are some of the things that happen behind the scenes of this type of a lifestyle. I'm talking about entertainment lifestyle that people don't really know about. But at the end of the day, I could come to talk about this. That big bait were in the video, right? Him over there, I make Spain Town man them look bad. He make Spain Town, big up to the Spain Town man them, you know, the real bad man them, you know. This dude, first of all, right? Marvin up there, and him a talk about wherever clean and fresh. him gonna sing him song. I'm sure that's what they're booked for. And you hear the man say him prefer turn him feel like him want to turn this in a world star morning. I could only imagine what was about to come next. Cause I talk about him want to tear off him shirt. Him want to tear off him shirt. You know Marvin thing already. Him gonna tear off him shirt. Him and Nikisha gonna go on bad in the dance. The thing gonna turn up. So not only are they dancing now, them gone into singing, actually performing songs along with dancing, right? It looked like it was going to be something good. Out of nowhere come this you take with the man mic and I talk about a bad man something, a bad man something. If I'm going to start stage performing and somebody come and grab the mic from me and I say a bad man something, him never say, them say a time up. Him never say, give me the mic for a second, let me say something real quick. He might grab the mic from you and I tell you say a bad man something. That mean a bad the man I try bad you up. Big up yourself, Marvin, for hold your own. Especially when Marvin handled it diplomatically. The Beast was not acting like a beast here. when him handle it this way, the man say, alright brother, if a bad man thing you said it is, then hey, take your mic. And him come off of the stage, right? The man come off of the stage, you still there calling the man what? A batty man. Like, yo, Jamaicans need to like leave this stuff in Jamaica, not even bother going with it in a Jamaica, just dead it all together. Dead it all together. But to see us overseas acting like this towards each other, it just solidifies why enough man get dipped, why enough man come a foreign come get in all kind of trouble, and things them can't even dig themselves out of. I thought he was corny as hell up there about a bad man something, a bad man something. My father a bad man, and me a bad man. De La Vega City, Spanish Town. Listen man, when man a go cut you in your face, you see, and when man a go push gunshot in all part of you, you see, which part you come from, who you associated with, and who your father is don't mean nothing to real mad people, bad people. You understand? So, let us Jamaicans stop that stuff. Just stop it. It look distasteful, it make Jamaica look stupid as frig on foreign soil, and it's just dumb as hell. De La Vega City, Spanish Town, me a bad man and my father a bad man. Nobody don't give a frig about your father, brother. And then the other ones, them coming up there talking about, yo, the youth, you know, so the youth, this Marvin and Marvin not even, you know, say I get this, you know. At first, he thought it was all a part. See it there? Fresh cash. He start saying fresh cash, right? And the man come and drop some money. And the man say, yeah, it this. See what me I say? This me I talk about. And then you take the mic and style the man. Big up yourself, Marvin. Big up yourself, Nikisha. I make none of them out there stopping up. I make none of them out there stopping up. I don't know what the outcome of this would have been had this been me and Brains instead of Marvin and Nikisha. But I do look at this as it could very well have been. Right? Because if I'm out there hosting somebody's event, or booked to be at somebody's event to host it, and this jump off like this, and a boy come take the mic from me and talk about a bad man something, I don't know if I go to walk off and say, alright brother, it's a bad man something you say. So big up to Marvin, man, and I hope when my time come, a cool head can prevail. My SouFLoTV audience, watch the video and leave in the comment section below what you honestly think about this. Remember, I don't support nobody that support the bring down of anybody that's trying to do something positive. You might not like how Marvin entertain. You might not like when Nikisha Duffy are living, dancing and entertaining. Me hear no say the girl skin out and Marvin a use her. Me hear no say all kind of thing about him not dance, him a do friggery. There is a market for it and he is supplying a demand. You understand? Him not walk around and rob and kill nobody. He was not a contributor of the 1,616 people that got murdered in Jamaica last year for 2017. So, he's out here on his own merit. I use him own talents and skills and I earn a living. You have to respect that. Right? Close this video out now. The idiot will grab the mic. I say, Dancing King. And me are the Dancing King. Me not gonna say you don't look like a dancer. You not even look fit enough to be a dancer. Me not gonna watch you them way there, because you might have been able to dance. But if you come out and say you're a Dancing King youth, dance. Bust a one dance, but the people them know why you're called the Dancing King. Alright? The man say my Dancing King no. One bag of mouth. May I leave it here so here, man. Because the video did not get me kind of upset, but I like how Marvin handled it and I like how Nikisha handled it. She jump up quick. Hey, boss, I got so big up yourself, my girl. She not itch and she never back down. You need them kind of riders in your corner when you're on Mash Road. You see? I'm out. Peace.